quick tutorial on how to join Google Classroom as a guardian. First, you are going to look for an invitation in your inbox from the sender Google Classroom. The latest invitation was sent out on August 29th. The subject is Join Google Classroom as a Guardian 2, and then it should be your child's name. Once you open up that email, go ahead and accept the invitation. If you are not finding that email in your inbox, please do go ahead and check your spam folder. We have had a few found there. Once I click accept invite, I will be prompted to either use the email that is populated in, and that's where I want to receive that summary, or I can switch the account. I'm going to go ahead and accept because this is where I want to receive those email summaries. I am going to then choose frequency. At the elementary level, you are going to choose weekly, as your child's teacher will be updating their Google Classroom week at a glance each week. You will receive that email on Friday, where you can click on a summary and see what will be happening in your child's classroom the following week. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your child's teacher, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We appreciate the patience you are giving us and the grace you are giving us as we work through this new process. Have a great